Hello guys and welcome back to Sugar Astrology TV. Today we're going to be making a special spinach sauce with a twist to it. So these are the ingredients we're going to be using: potatoes, milk, spinach, onions, pepper, also called chili, and chicken. You can use any type of chicken you like, if it's a drum, if it's another part, but you must need chicken for this or another type of meat to put it all together. So first of all, put your chicken inside the pot, and then you know the drill, just be adding your seasoning and the chili and onions. So if you're new to the video, let me just explain it quickly. We always steam our meat first because that adds like an extra bit of flavor to it, and it like absorbs the flavor of the seasoning before we add the water, and it like washes it all away. So now we're coming to the part where we add our potatoes inside our water. You have to cook it normally as you would normally do. Now it's time to add your seasoning. If you like to add other seasoning to your potatoes, that's not like, it's not that bad, but in our case we are just using salt. Take away your chicken once it's ready, and we're going to air fry it. So it's really up to you if you want to fry or air fry, but I suggest air frying because that's way better. And me and my family have had great experiences with air fried food. It's healthier and it's like, it just tastes better in this case. So once your potatoes are almost ready, the special twist I was talking about is that you'll add milk. Okay, now it's time for your oil. Add your onions. Let it cook for a while because we want that little golden bit of the onions. Then add your chili, crayfish, and the spinach, but make sure you put them in sections. Let me just say sections, because we don't want the spinach to just overload our pan. So just put them one time in a bit. Now add your seasoning cube, the salt, crayfish, because crayfish is like the main part of our dish today. Make sure you stir all of the ingredients together, and we're done. That's how easy it is to make this delicious dish. This is how your potatoes will look like. They have like more volume, all fuller because of the milk, and they stick together obviously. But once you try to like break into it and start eating it, wow, you just feel the moisture and the salt, everything that we added up just fit together perfectly. I can also use the remaining milk and water to create your own sauce. That's what my mom did, for example. I really loved it. Yeah, guys, we're really sorry for not updating you on other videos, but thank you for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. Enjoy.